Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be guiding you through the fundamentals of meditation, which has transformed countless lives. Meditation is the practice of focusing your mind and eliminating distractions to achieve a state of mental clarity, emotional calm, and heightened awareness. It has roots in various spiritual traditions, but is also widely embraced for its mental and physical health benefits. Meditation helps reduce stress, improves concentration, enhances self-awareness, and promotes emotional health. Before we dive into the practice, let's address some common misconceptions about meditation. I need to clear my mind completely. It's impossible to completely stop thoughts. The goal is to become an observer of your thoughts without getting entangled in them. Meditation is religious. While meditation has roots in various spiritual traditions, it is a secular practice that anyone can benefit from, regardless of religious beliefs. I don't have time to meditate. Even a few minutes of meditation each day can make a significant difference. You can meditate anytime, anywhere. In meditation, the primary goal is not to actively think about anything but to observe. Here are some common focal points and approaches. Focus on the breath. One of the simplest and most common methods is to focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your nostrils or the rise and fall of your chest. When your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Body scan. Another technique is to perform a mental scan of your body. Pay attention to the sensations in different parts of your body, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. This helps you stay present and aware. Mantras. Repeating a word, phrase, or sound, mantra, can help maintain focus. Common mantras include words like peace, or relax. This can help anchor your mind and prevent it from wandering. Of course, meditation is versatile and can include various techniques to suit different needs. We have different types of meditation. Mindfulness meditation. This involves staying present and observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. The goal is to remain aware of the present moment, rather than thinking about past or future events. Focused meditation. You can focus on a specific goal or intention. Some people use meditation time to visualize their goals, such as improvements they want to make in their lives. Affirmations. If you find affirmations helpful, you can incorporate them into your meditation practice. Spend a few minutes at the beginning or end of your session repeating positive statements about yourself or your goals. For example, you might say, "I am calm and focused," or "I am capable of achieving my goals." In a nutshell, these are the steps. Start with breath. Begin your meditation by focusing on your breath. This helps ground you and brings you into the present moment. Observe thoughts. If your mind wanders to things you want to improve or affirmations, simply observe these thoughts without judgment. Acknowledge them and gently guide your focus back to your breath. Integrate affirmations mindfully. If affirmations are part of your practice, set aside a specific time for them. You might spend the first few minutes focusing on your breath, then transition to silently repeating your affirmations, and finally return to breath focus. End with gratitude. Finish your session by taking a few deep breaths and reflecting on what you're grateful for. This helps you leave your meditation with a positive and peaceful mindset. Okay, enough theory. Let's practice. Now choose a calm, quiet place where you won't be disturbed. This could be a corner of your room, a garden, or any place where you feel at ease. Sit in a comfortable position. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, on a cushion, or in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Keep your back straight but not stiff. Rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. Wear loose, comfortable clothing that allows you to relax fully. For beginners, start with just 5-10 minutes. You can gradually increase this time as you become more comfortable with the practice. Now, let's begin with a simple meditation technique. Gently close your eyes to help minimize distractions and turn your focus inward. Allow your breath to flow naturally. Don't try to control it. Just observe the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your nostrils. Bring your attention to your breathing. Notice the rhythm, the rise and fall of your chest, the coolness of the inhale, and the warmth of the exhale. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath without judgment. Take a moment to mentally scan your body from head to toe. Notice any tension or discomfort. As you breathe, imagine sending your breath to those areas, allowing them to soften and release. It's natural for thoughts to arise. When they do, simply acknowledge them without judgment and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Think of your thoughts as clouds passing by. You observe them, but you don't need to engage with them. As a beginner, it's most effective to start with basic breath-focused meditation to build a foundation. Once you're comfortable, you can experiment with integrating affirmations or focusing on specific goals. Remember, the essence of meditation is to cultivate a state of awareness and presence, not to achieve a completely blank mind. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey of exploration and self-discovery. As your session comes to an end, take a few deep breaths. Slowly open your eyes and take a moment to appreciate the stillness and clarity you've cultivated. Thank you for joining me in this introduction to meditation. Remember, meditation is a personal journey and there's no right or wrong way to do it. The most important thing is to start and to be kind to yourself throughout the process. With regular practice, you'll find greater peace, clarity, and resilience in your daily life. Feel free to share your experiences or any questions you have in the comments below. Happy meditating!